the Khasi Students Union Mawphlang Unit had met the Minister in charge of Education Department Rakkam A Sangma to bring to his notice the lack of infrastructure at the Mawphlang College and the stalled project which had been supported by the Ministry of Donor for allocation of funds amounting to rupees 36.55 crores from the Central Financial Assistance under the Non-lapsable Central Pool of Resources with a 90:10 funding pattern for the construction of the college buildings. Raising concerns on the issue, the Khasi Students Union Mawphlang Unit informed that while the infrastructural project for the construction of the building for the commerce and science streams had been initiated in 2017 with the support of the donor ministry, yet the same has been put on hold since 2019. This has greatly affected students from Mawphlang and adjoining areas in as far as access to higher education is concerned, informed one of the members of the union.
Pori one way to do minister education minister Lord Tega Sayan and Commerce College Kaba Dingrek Budan Mawphlang the Naglang Jungi Sing in a letman is back to trade construction take a building take a building la book monorim ho at South Rico cost Arjan Arkanyo by the Minister former Minister Dr. Sama Raya tanda pan dola bu pan pentrai kedai final tanda berlis deh khaj bu Oktober aja khajnyau pat ya kampar asam trai tau September aja tanda denadu tu November bala pentrai tu kampar hadu mata ketika college hadu mata ru kampar dap complete ketang lang tunggung rengang pat kita sa pun ki padap kita padap sai ki porting padap dan ki kita tang kita pat kipat polsa pat long complete tang dona de reng jungi pat ngai cendu bagi chief engineer petung di building itu pat ngai kali balai berkanega college keselamban itu mata memlak ban la complete dengan reng jungi tidak amba ne nak reng jungi pat imla ban ayah ka daw bo biang tingin yo eka coba besar tenang dengan jengim tak sini tak ni nawan mai tendu ino yo education minister man pandip saya lo ketika mat ba slam kedai nama kawai kedai nama kedai di one unit teh berdiri na ketika ba mari ketika college tak sanction naga ministry of donor bagan like 3.7 crore bagan non-lapsable Central Pool of Resources kalau impian kita kesana support ni saya juga sedih kalau benar dan kita sudah bisa benar biar ini penting yo next chapter